Good morning, children. So, today we are going to study English 1 and we will continue with our first lesson, The Fading Glory of the Earth. In our last session, I gave you an introduction of this lesson and also explained you all a part of this lesson. Hope you all understood it. Now let us quickly revise it again so that you recollect it. Okay. Today we will also do few activities which are mentioned in this lesson. So I am reading out the lesson. You just read with me and try to understand it. Okay. The fading glory of the earth. The word fading means to become dim or disappear slowly and gradually. And the word glory means beauty or admiration. So the name of the lesson, the fading glory of the earth here means that the beauty or admiration of the earth is declining or is disappearing. Right? Long ago means in the past. Long ago, the earth was green and clean. Means that in the past, our mother earth was green and clean. Means it was very clean and everywhere it was greenery. It proudly carried and nurtured a number of trees. Nurtured here means to take care of or to protect. So the mother earth, it had large number of trees everywhere. But after some time, someone invented machines to make life comfortable. So we people, man only invented machines after few years, after some time. They invented machines to make life comfortable. So, with the invention of machines, what happened? The machines were used and liked by many. Why these machines were liked by many children? Because machines makes our life easy and comfortable and is also time saving. So, everyone likes it. So, the machines were used and liked by many. However, we now realize that the earth gets warmer and has less natural beauty. So the earth started becoming warmer and warmer and its natural beauty started to decline because men started cutting down the trees. The sun's rays reach the earth easily and damage her beauty. This has also led to change in flora and fauna. Now here flora means plants and fauna means animals. So this due to the invention of machines and all the cutting down of the trees, it led to change in flora and fauna means the lives of plants and animals were affected due to these due to the cutting down of trees and all. Okay. Now today toxic materials are found everywhere. Now toxic materials means harmful materials which are harmful to our body. So today toxic materials are found everywhere. The pollutants are present in the air, water and land. Right? So, now see children, this is a picture of our Mother Earth. Now what you can see in this picture? See, the face of our Mother Earth is so worried, isn't it? And it has a thermometer in the mouth of this earth. Right? And this thermometer shows that the temperature is very high. So, the temperature of the earth is increasing every year due to the cutting down of the trees, invention of machines and development of factories, industries. Yes, the temperature of the earth is increasing every year. And the amount of rainfall is getting less because trees are being cut down. Water is going to be more and more expensive in future. If we don't save water today, it is sure that the we have to purchase water and it will be expensive in future. We will have to buy water for our daily requirements. So children, we have to save water and save electricity also. The increase in temperature kills many life forms. Many animals and birds are getting extinct. Due to the increase in temperature, what happens? These life forms means the animals and birds are dying. Extinct means they are dying. Okay, now see. This is page 2, activity 2. Now, I am just reading out this activity. See, and I'll try to explain you, okay? Read and discuss the points about the past and present conditions of the earth's natural beauty. Predict the future of the earth working in groups and complete the third column. Okay, see, there are 3 columns given. First one is past, how the earth was in the past. Then the second column is about present, how the earth is in present time. Okay, and the third column shows about how the earth will be in our future. Okay, so first point is the earth was green and it had more and more trees in the past. Yes, and in the present there are less trees, green but less trees compared to the past. Now what will be the condition of the trees, how many trees will be there in the future, that we have to write in the blank space. Okay, now coming down, ample water, blue ample water. In the past we had ample water, means plentiful of water. In the past the earth had plentiful of water in the past, but in the present the earth is having polluted and less water. So we have to write in the next column that how much water the earth will have, how much water and what type of water the earth will have in the future. Now next is clean land. The earth was clean in the past. Today in the present time the earth is unclean or has polluted land. And how will it be in the future, that you have to write. Then coming next to it has colorful. The earth was colorful. The earth had colorful flowers in the past. In the present it has less flowers, and you have to write how what type of flowers it will be in future. Right? Now, and the last one is the pleasant rays of the sun reached the earth in the past. But today in the present, irritating rays of the sun reach the earth. Means the rays of the earth is irritating. It is not pleasant. Okay. So irritating rays of the sun reach the earth and cause harm to life on earth. It causes harm to animals, to plants and all the living beings. Okay. So how will be the rays of the sun when it reaches the earth in future? That you have to mention here. Okay. So this is the activity which you have to think over it and you have to write. Okay children. Now you have to complete the table. Okay, understood? Now I am reading out. See, have you completed the above table? If yes, share your responses with your teachers and elders at home. Let us learn more about our Mother Earth's condition in the following passage. Now we will continue with the lesson, that is the fading glory of the earth. Most toxic waste comes from man-made things like mobile sources. So the toxic waste or the harmful waste comes from man itself. Okay, man only creates these toxic waste or harmful wastes like mobile sources. Mobile sources includes cars, trucks, buses. Then stationary sources. Stationary sources means factories, refineries, power plants, as well as indoor sources. Example, some building materials and chemicals used for cleaning. So, these harmful waste or the toxic waste comes from man only. Man is only responsible for creating these harmful waste. And what are the sources? There are three types of sources. First one is mobile sources. Mobile sources include cars, trucks, buses. Then comes the stationary sources. Stationary sources includes factories, refineries, power plants. And the last one is indoor sources, which includes some building materials and chemicals used for cleaning. Okay, now the amount of pollution is increasing day by day due to these waste materials, due to these different wastes. The amount of pollution is increasing day by day, and this has led to the depletion of resources on the earth. What are resources on the earth? They are sun, land,